Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix desktop screen upside down on Windows. So first method, you can use the keyboard shortcut. So you can press Ctrl Alt and up arrow simultaneously. This will be immediately rotate your screen back to the normal. And the method number 2 is you can right click on the empty area on your desktop, then go to display setting. It is right here. You can scroll down a little bit until you find display orientation option, this one. So you can see now it is set as landscape. There are 4 options here. If it is set as portrait or landscape flipped, portrait flip kind of options, try to change it to landscape option like this, then it will be fixed. And the third method is you can use the graphic control panel. So you can right click on the empty area. Then if you have NVIDIA or AMD graphic driver, you can see NVIDIA NVIDIA control panel or AMD control panel. Then you can go that option. Then there will be option for rotation or orientation in the setting. Set it to normal. Then it will be fixed as a normal screen. If that initial key combination is not working, that means Ctrl Alt and up arrow is not working, try to use Ctrl Alt and other arrow keys like down arrow key, right and left arrow keys, if that is fixed or not. If none of these methods are not working, you can restart your computer to fix the issue.